Wednesday, 11 a.m. Junior has been staring at the Docker docs for an hour, and the coffee isn't helping.
Senior, I'm officially confused. I built a Docker image, and then Docker PS shows containers. Are they the same thing? Everyone uses the words like they're twins.
Week 1 confusion, everybody has it. Let me give you the one sentence that fixes it. An image is the recipe, a container is the dish. The image is the frozen recipe. When you run Docker build, your Docker file bakes your app, its libraries, and its config into one read-only template. It never changes after that, byte for byte identical wherever it goes.
So when I pushed QuickBytes V1 to the registry yesterday, I was sharing the recipe, not a running app?
Exactly. Nothing was running. It's like a cake recipe sitting in a cookbook full of potential, doing absolutely nothing. Now, Docker run takes that recipe and cooks a dish, a container. A real running process, with its own writable layer, its own network address, its own life.
Wait, you ran the same image twice there. 2 containers from one image?
2, 10, or 300. Everyone identical at birth, because they all came from the same frozen recipe. That's exactly how scaling works. Kubernetes just orders more dishes from the same cookbook.
Oh. So that's why the class and object thing people say, image is the class, container is the object.
If you speak programmer, that's the perfect translation. Recipe and dish, class and object, same idea.
Okay, but here's what bit me yesterday. I saved a file inside a container, restarted it, and my file was just gone. Was that the recipe dish thing too?
That's the sharpest edge in all of Docker. Everything you change inside a container lives in its thin writable layer, and that layer dies with the container. The image underneath never changed. Your file was written on the plate, not in the cookbook.
So if I want data to survive, like a database, I need volumes, right? Storage that lives outside the dish?
You just skipped 2 weeks of confusion. Volumes for anything you can't lose, containers stay disposable, images stay frozen. That's the whole model.
Let me say it back. Image, frozen recipe, I build it once and share it. Container, a dish cooked from it, I can run many, and I can throw them away. And anything precious goes in a volume.
Word perfect. And if an interviewer ever asks, a container is a running instance of an image is the sentence they're listening for. Now go delete some containers with confidence.
And that's the difference that unlocks all of Docker. The recipe never changes. The dishes come and go. Subscribe to 58 AI Bytes for more office stories that make tech finally click.